Lufthansa A321. See if he can make a beautiful landing on 25 left. The aircraft was coming from Schiphol, Amsterdam. Busy day at Frankfurt Airport. AirDolomiti, Embraer E195, making its way to the runway off to Florence, Italy, the land of pizza and pasta. Aircraft is 14 years old. First flight, January 2009. Aircraft, small but beautiful aircraft, off to the pizza land of Italy, off to Florence. Air China A330, possibility heading back to Shanghai, or the land of where the catastrophic virus COVID-19. But still, a beautiful aircraft, a modern machine, Air China A330. Making its way with priority taxi. Tug is taxiing its to the runway. Condor Airlines A321. Coming its way from Malaga. See if we can do a good landing. And they did. The Condor has landed. Spoilers are armed. Beautiful landing. The aircraft is 8 years old. First flight, January 2016. There we have a Condor 757. Beautiful aircraft called the Pencil, how some people would like to call it, for aircraft. Aircraft is beautiful. One of my favorite aircrafts. 757. Having priority taxi with a tug. Condor's, if you did not know, Condor's region of country is Germany. There we have a A321 Austrian Airlines coming from Vienna. Country of origin is Austria. You can see it pop up. And Airbus A320 coming from Berlin. Lufthansa A320 coming from Berlin. Beautiful landing, butter. The plane is 10 years old. First flight, March 2013. Absolutely beautiful landing from Lufthansa. Country of origin is Germany, Deutschland. AnadoluJet come from Istanbul. First flight of very new aircraft, A321, coming from Istanbul. First flight, April 2023. And a better landing of the Turkish islets. Beautiful. Country of origin is Turkey. Love the food there. The kebabs. AirCairo A320 Neo from Uganda. First flight is March 2022. A little bounce. Oh! Might do a go around?
Nope.
I don't know. Nope. No go around, but it was sure a bounce landing. Ouch. 4 passengers. Who is this? China Salver 777. Special livery. What? Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. It's China Salver. Special livery. My first time seeing it. Beautiful. You see it all here. Taxiing. Boeing 777. Possibility 300. Look at that massive aircraft. Fun fact about the 777. The Boeing 747 fuselage can fit in the Boeing 777 engines. Oh, correction, China Eastern. But I mean, look at this beauty. Wow. Look at that beauty. Love the panda right there. Very end. Absolutely love it. Super beautiful. Super beautiful. We have about 2 Airlines photo booth livery. Beautiful red livery. Sadly, we can't see the landing and the touchdown, but it's alright. Boeing 747 freight, Air China. Coming from Dubai. Country of region is might do a go around? No. Absolutely fantastic landing. Spoilers are armed. Age of the plane is 16 years old. First flight October 2006. Look at the smoke because of a 747. Wow. Here we got the AirDolomiti jet. Headed to Luis. I believe that is Italy, the land of pizza, the land of spaghetti, the land of pasta. Probably they will serve for what's for dinner or what's for lunch. It's probably pizza or it's probably pasta. The age of aircraft is 14 years old. Embraer E195. Here we have AirCairo that landed. Made a bouncy landing, but still, it's alright. From Hurghada, that's Egypt. Oh, I'm pretty good at geography, but still. And if we look at this beauty, the A321 Condor red stripe livery. Wow, so nice seeing this aircraft because it's super pretty rare. Parked or they push back, going to taxi to the runway for takeoff. Double taxi. Cool. We see the A350, A320, and the Air China. Here we have the A320, country of region, Lithuania. The airline is called Avion Express from Lithuania, but coming actually from Turkey, Antalya. First flight, 20 years, and first flight is 2003. March. Coming up, we have Zores Airlines Wonder livery. Soon coming up. Landing currently. I don't want to get other people in frame. Here it is. It's coming up. Wonder livery, Zores Airlines, country of region, Portugal. Absolutely beautiful aircraft. Love that livery. One of my favorite. Ooh, I don't know about this one. Wow, a bit late landing, but still, spoilers are armed. The airplane is 5 years old. First flight, March 2018. Beautiful landing. China Eastern is now parked and being serviced with a special livery. Beautiful. Just if we look at that beauty, my favorite livery, and I think it's the best livery that there can be. Lufthansa's baby bus A319 coming from Munich. Aircraft is 25 years old. It's kind of old for an aircraft, but it can do. Still making fantastic butter landings. First flight, May 1997. Still good for an aircraft. Still beautiful, and it still can land. Lufthansa A320 coming from Athens, Greece. Welcome home. Welcome home. Ooh. The aircraft is 6 years old. First flight August 2017. Here we have the A321 coming, Zores, Wonder livery coming back to its gates. Absolutely beautiful. Got it, taxi. That's good that we don't have Southwest in here because they would go supersonic speed. The MIAT Mongolian Airlines, MIAT Airlines, Boeing 767. Aircraft is 10 years old. Spoilers are armed. First flight, March 2013. Got the smoke. And over here we have Boeing 777 lining up on the runway off to Washington Jules. Comment below if you have ever been there. That was once my local airport. Boeing 777-300ER. Fantastic aircraft. Wonderful aircraft with wonderful engines. The Gen 9B engines. One of my favorite aircrafts. Look at it lining up on the runway. Lost it? Here it is. Here we have an Airbus A380 Emirates. Emirates A380. Biggest passenger aircraft in the world. Look at that beauty coming from Dubai. Wowie zowies. Look at it making a wonderful butter landing. Spoilers are armed. Wow. Here we have a Thai 777 priority taxi. A lot of priority taxis at Frankfurt here. A380 is track number 6 worldwide on Flight Radar 24. 612 people are tracking it. Wow. It's 11 years old. First flight, May 2012. From Dubai. We have a Boeing 777 off to Thailand, Bangkok. Beautiful. Here we have AirDolomiti. To Innsbruck. Wow. Germany. Not to a pizza land, but where it's from. Italy. Heading down to, going to the runway, taxiing to the runway. It's 14 years old, headed to Innsbruck. Aircraft is Embraer E195LR. Look at the A380 crossing runways. And soon get a taxi back to his gates, Terminal 2. There's the MIAT 767. Headed back to its gates after a fantastic a little bouncy landing. Here we have a Condor A330-900neo. Off to Seattle, Washington. Absolutely love that aircraft. I love to call it the green nose livery because it has a green dot. Here we have a Airbus A320 from Bulgaria, Sofia. Welcome home. Beautiful landing. Welcome home, Lufthansa A320. Age 7 years old. Wow. Here we have a Boeing 767 Mongolian Airlines off to its gates, taxiing after a low bouncy landing. And in the far distance we have a Air Canada A330 from Vancouver landing 25 right. It's a beautiful aircraft. Back to the Mongolian Airlines, Boeing 767. Fun fact about the Boeing 767, its door, when you board, just look up or look behind you when you board it, because the door goes upwards, not to the side. And that's really cool about the Boeing 767. A320 AnadoluJet. Coming from Anatolia, 13 years old. And in the distance we have the Airbus A380 and the A330neo off to Seattle. We have Helvetic Airlines from Zurich. Embraer E195LR. Age 14 years old, correction. April 2010.